You won't hear Apple official call it the modern iPad, but that name has been found in iOS 11.3 code. Modern iPad doesn't sound very meaningful, but the phrase modern iPhone was used ahead of the iPhone X's release. The suggestion is that the term can refer to all those fancy new features, like Face ID and an almost bezel-free screen. The new iPad for 2018 could allow you to unlock your tablet with your face, rather than your finger, and that's a rumor we've heard more than once. If Apple goes with an all-screen display design, it could allow the new iPads to either increase the in-screen size, or stay the same size and shrink the body. That'd be a big deal for the sometimes cumbersome 12.9-inch iPad Pro. Elsewhere in rumor land, sources in the supply chain are claiming that the iPad Pro 3 will use a new octa-core A11X Bionic chipset. That's an upgrade on the hexa-core A11 Bionic chipset in the iPhone X. Apparently it will also be smaller, coming in at just 7 nanometers, which could mean it's more efficient, and it will supposedly include a neural processing unit, which further points to the possible inclusion of Face ID, as that's largely powered by AI. Beyond that, we can guess at a few things. For example, as Apple has just introduced a new size with the 10.5-inch model, we probably won't see any new sizes this year. We wouldn't expect much change to the camera either. Apple has stuck the same 12MP and 7MP rear and front snappers as the iPhone 8 has on its latest slates, which is serious overkill for a tablet, so should serve the Pro range well for at least another year. Other existing features, such as the True Tone display with 120Hz refresh rate, quad speakers and smart connector are also likely to return.